So I'm going to use the 12 by 12 School Days file mate to organize everything that I've kept from my son from the time he was 3 years old in VPK all the way to currently in 3rd grade. I had such a good time organizing all of this, trying to figure out what date, what year things were, comparing his handwriting. Going back through these little mementos just gave me so much joy. So this was my first step to organizing all of his schoolwork throughout the years.
So now that I've sorted everything out from this big bin down to my few piles, I have pre-K, kindergarten, first, second, and third. He's currently in third, so I just have one art project and one school photo so far, but that's okay. I'm going to take my 12 by 12 School Days file mate and I'm going to organize this. What I love about this is we have a little elastic string that is really good for when it's tight and when it needs to expand. Then it also comes with our stickers that you can either use the little papers that come apart and put them in these little things, the little tabs, or it also comes with stickers if you're a sticker person like me and you want to put the labels on stickers and just stick them on the front of the tabs, which is what I did. I'm a sticker person. So I like to use the front of it to not waste any space. So I'm going to put his pre-K stuff in the very front of this so far. It's all cute and glittery, and I'm gonna put the flower in the front because I like it. And what I love about this is that it's wide enough that all of his projects that are done on the school construction paper, which is usually 12 by 9 instead of 8.5 by 11, fits perfectly down in these sleeves. So I can fit everything he just did in pre-K in the front. And later on, I won't waste your time, I will put pre-K on the first sticker and just stick it on that red label so I'll know everything is in front of the tab. So then we're gonna put all the other grades in. I love that this expands so wide that it actually stands up on its own without falling over once I have everything in. That's one of my favorite things about this, is that I can stand it on a shelf and it looks cute because not only is it colorful, but it has the little stack of books on the front of it too. So either way, whether it's facing forward or it's just kind of stacked like a book on a shelf, it looks adorable. You can tell that it's full of something and you know it's something meaningful, but you also see color and it's not going to fall over. So I'm almost done here. In the video of me sorting everything, you saw me throw a whole bunch of stuff off to the side. That's because I, as a new mom, just threw everything into here. So I've got birthday invitations, ultrasound pictures, a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna hold those off to the side. I'll organize those in the other one I'll tell you about in just a second. So that's it. This is your 12 by 12 School Days file mate. It stands up on its own, super cute on the front. I get my mom, who has much better handwriting than me, to put his name on the front here in a little card. And I've got this, and every year or every time something comes home during the school year, I'm just gonna pop this off the shelf, open it up, stick it in the right grade level. When I go to scrapbook all of this, I've got it all in one piece. I can throw my paper, my embellishments, my stickers in here with each grade level. As the school stuff comes out, it just keeps getting cuter and cuter. So I'm going to keep things in here that I might use in the future when I'm ready to scrapbook. So not only do we have this one, and I'll show you, I've already done his brother's, who's in 5th grade. And again, stands up on its own, super cute on a shelf. You've got all these colors. So we have those, and there's my 2 kids' school stuff. We also have the 12 by 12 paper file mate. So just the CM shutter on the front, super cute, exact same thing. It has your elastic band to hold it tight. It comes with your stickers and your little pieces of paper to go on all of your tabs. This one is great for bringing your cardstock and your paper to crops. So one thing we like to try to get our customers to do and all of our friends to do when they're coming to a crop is pre-plan. So they don't have to bring every single thing with them that they have. They can think, I'm gonna be doing Christmas, I'll be doing school, I'll be doing baby. I can throw it all in here and just bring this and not bring every single paper pack I own. So this is great for organization. We also are using these personally for everything right now. We are in South Florida, so with the big H word, the hurricanes that like to hit here all the time. I have one of these at home. It has my car insurance, my home insurance. It has all of our birth certificates, social security cards, marriage license. It has all of my vaccine records for my cats. It has everything in it. So I know if I have to leave my house in a hurry, grab this and go. Husband even knows, grab this and go if we're leaving in a hurry.